Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a natural glowy dewy makeup look like I love to do, but this time with a little lilac twist. This video is sponsored by Saie Beauty, so I'm using all of their products and introducing a brand new launch today as well. I absolutely love the aesthetic of Saie Beauty. They've got a lot of skincare based beauty products like makeup, sunscreen, stuff like that. Absolutely love it and been a fan of the Saie Slip Tint and the Sun Melt Bronzer and their I think they're called the Marshmallow, the Dew Balms. So good. Anyway, I'm really excited because I have now got like the entire range, so I'm going to share all the shades and everything. First thing you want to do is apply SPF. This is the Sunvisor SPF. It's the broad spectrum SPF 35 Radiant Moisturizer. That product blends in super easily even though I used 3 pumps of it, and it gave my skin such a beautiful glowy look. Look at it. Perfect base for makeup, but now I'm going to move on to the Glowy Supergel in Sunglow. I also have this small one in Star Glow, but I'm going to do like a bronze base to this look, so I'm going in with this one next. This is big and it's in a glass bottle. It's really beautiful. You can use this alone, under, or mixed with your foundation or tinted SPF. So I'm going to mix it with my slip tint. Now I freaking love slip tint. Like, this is a must-have for me. It has SPF 35, so I love to apply it over the top of the SPF that I've applied that morning. It just works really well for my skin, and I use 3.5. So I'm gonna mix the Glowy Super Gel with my slip tint. Just gonna go ahead and blend that on top. Oh, that is the perfect amount of coverage for my vibe. Now, if I use the Saie Slip Tint alone, it's obviously more coverage, but I've gone for something a little bit more lightweight today, but it's okay because I have some concealers if I want to cover anything extra later. Now I'm going in with Sun Melt, which is a cream bronzer. They have this great brush that goes with the bronzer. It's called the Big Brush. Now this is the shade Light Bronze, but they have 4 shades in their bronzer line. Just taking the corners of the brush to put the residual bronzer through my socket. And then I'll take the brush, now that all the product's off, and blend it out. So easy to blend with this. It's so soft. Looking, feeling, and living bronzed right now. Loving it. Now I'm gonna do my brows. You guys probably know this is about when I go do my brows. This is the Saie Brow Butter in Deep Brown. I love just how precise the little applicator wand is. Because of the fine shape of this applicator, I can use it to kind of draw on the brow shape I want. Once I've done that, I'll go through the whole brow, just flicking the hairs up and over. Like its name, it's a very buttery formula. It's tinted, which I like, but it also has little plant fibers in it, which give your brows a really naturally fuller look. That might be the best my right eyebrow has looked in a long time. Now I'm going to add a blush, and this is the Dew Blush in Rosy. It's a really pretty pink color, and look how easily it blends out. I really like the finish. Super creamy and pretty. Now, I've only applied dewy products so far, and I definitely feel like setting and diffusing at least my T-zone so that I've got less of a shine going on. Now I'm going to use this powder, the Airset Radiant Loose Setting Powder, and then this is the Saie Fluffy Brush. It's a really nice textured powder, extremely finely milled. Literally, if you touch it, it's kind of glidey. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not a powdery powder. It's silky. Pat that in my T-zone. It doesn't like make your skin matte and heavy whatsoever. It's so lightweight. It just kind of removes any excess shine, diffuses the look of your pores. Now they have these super fun, really pretty dew balms. I already had it in the Bronze Nectar, but I'm really excited to now receive the Lilac one, which I wanted to make a part of this look, and the Rosy Gold. So these, the texture of these is really unique. It's like a fluffy marshmallow texture. I love it. Comes out and you can start blending it, and it like melts into the skin. It's so pretty with just like the hint of lilac. So I'm gonna take that, pat that onto my eyelid and the inner corner. You guys know I love to put highlighter in there. I was going to try the Rose Glow one on my cheeks, but I actually think I want more of the lilac all around, because to me this is a very iconic Saie product, and it's in the Saie Lilac color. Like, everything is lilac at Saie. So I really felt like doing the Lilac Saie Glow. Almost finished with the look. After mascara, I'm just gonna go in with concealer and then share the new lip blur. So the Mascara 101 in black. It's a pretty unique applicator. It's got like a spiky end so that you can reach and kind of push up with the tip. Now my eyelashes are really short right now. It seems to happen to me in pregnancy. So I'm going to lift and curl using the flat part of the wand to lift and hold it there while the mascara sets. I find this really helps. So you can just like see more of the lash. And then just a little bit on the lower lashes using the tip of the product. It's a really black lengthening formula. It hits from root to tip thanks to that brush, but it's also formulated with nourishing ingredients for your lashes. Now I'm going to apply some concealer. This is the Hydrabeam Concealer, and I've got HB3 and HB2. Onto the star of the show. These are the Saie lip blurs. They come in 6 fun shades ranging from neutrals to pops of color, shades that are gonna suit every skin tone, and they're a really fun formula. They're available on SaieHello.com, Sephora, and Cult Beauty. If you're shopping on the Saie website, use my code Chloe Morello for 15% off. All the shades are formulated to be super comfy and they're buildable, so you can achieve like a softly blurred look, blotted effect, to full coverage matte finish. They're clean and vegan, of course, and it's long wearing, shine free, and hydrating. It's a really buildable, nourishing formula, so I can get that softly blurred, blotted pout, or a full coverage matte lipstick. You can see the edge of the bullet is really precise. So as you're using it, only pump it up a little bit. That way you'll always have that sharp edge so that you can get a really nice crisp finish to your matte lip if you want. And then if you want that blurred finish, simply pat with your finger. A tip for that, I think, is to try keep it fairly close to the edge to your lip line, and then in your Cupid's bow, you can kind of let it fan out a bit. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Lilac Dew Balm and pat it over the top of the Cupid's bow. Oh, can you see that? It's a really fine formula. It's not thick and uncomfortable at all. It truly is very lightweight and easy to wear. So if you love a matte lip, or if you don't normally love a matte lip, you will love these. They're just so comfy and lightweight. And so many fun colors. Definitely check it out and use my code, 15% off, remember, with the code Chloe Morello. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Saie, for partnering with me. Everyone head to their website, SaieHello.com, and use my coupon code at checkout for 15% off. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you pick up on the Saie website as well in the comments. I'll see you guys down there. Bye.